Hello guys, welcome to Online Study Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss Pratyogita Darpan Compendium, and this will be very important for your all upcoming examinations. So make sure you watch the video till end, and if you find this video useful, please do like the video, drop a comment, and make sure you have subscribed the channel. We will start with Indian polity and constitution. So our first question is, the office of Vice President of India is very close in terms of duties, functions, powers, etc. to the Vice President of. The answer is USA. Next question is, who has been empowered to function as the President of India in case of vacancy in both the President and the Vice President offices in India? The answer is Chief Justice of India. Next is, Parliament has exclusive power to make any law with respect to any matter not enumerated in concurrent and state list under. The answer is Article 248. Next is Article 360 in the Constitution of India empowers the President of India to proclaim a. The answer is financial emergency. Next is, how many writs can the Supreme Court in India issue under Article 32? The answer is 5 writs. Next is, the provisions concerning the suspension of fundamental rights during emergency have been taken in the Constitution of India from. The answer is Weimar Constitution of Germany. Next is, the sitting of a House of Parliament in India can be terminated by. Answer is dissolution, prorogation or adjournment. Next is, the sixth rank on the table with respect to the rank and precedence of the persons in India is shared by. The answer is Chief Justice of India and Lok Sabha Speaker. Next is, which rank is held by the judges of the Supreme Court on the table with respect to the rank and precedence of the persons in India? The answer is ninth rank. Next is, who can summon both houses of parliament for a joint sitting in case of disagreement on a bill? The answer is the President of India. Now moving on to Indian national movement. First question is, who succeeded Abbas Tyabji as the leader of the civil disobedience movement after his arrest? The answer is Sarojini Naidu. Next is, who was the Governor General of India at the time of the Cripps mission arrival in India? The answer is Lord Linlithgow. The next question is, who was the Governor General of India at the time of Jallianwala Bagh tragedy? The answer is Lord Chelmsford. Next question is, who was the President of Indian National Congress at the historic Lucknow session in 1916? The answer is Ambika Charan Mazumdar. Next question is, Ghadar newspaper was published in. The answer is San Francisco. Next question is, the Royal Indian Navy revolted in Bombay in. The answer is 1946. Lord Pethick, Lawrence Stanford Cripps and A.V. Alexander were the members of the. The answer is Cabinet Mission. Next question is, which Indian leader played a key role in the foundation of the central bank, a Swadeshi bank in India? The answer is Firoze Shah Mehta. Next question, which Indian revolutionary wrote the book titled Why I Am an Atheist? The answer is Bhagat Singh. Next question is, who is the writer of the book Bapu My Mother? The answer is Manuben Gandhi. Now moving on to history and culture of India. First question is, what was the Rigvedic name of the river Jhelum? The answer is Vitasta. Okay. Next question is, Egyptian king Ptolemy Philadelphos sent an envoy named Dionysius in the court of Mauryan king. The answer is Bindusara. Next question is, Pushyamitra, the army chief of the last Mauryan ruler Brihadatra, was the founder of the. Answer is Sanga dynasty. Okay. Sanga dynasty is the right answer. Next question is, who was the first to have successfully read the Ashokan inscriptions? The answer is James Prinsep. Next question is, in Delhi Sultanate, the news reporters and secret spies were called. The answer is Barids. Okay, Barids or Barids. Next question is, which Mughal emperor was contemporary of Queen Elizabeth I of England? The answer is Emperor Akbar. Next question is, the capital of Satvahana ruler was Pratisthana, which is also called Pathan. Next question is, Arya Samaj was founded in. The answer is 1875. Next question is, Second Anglo-French War in India came to an end with the Treaty of Pondicherry in 1754 AD. Next question is, Majumdar or Amatya in Shivaji's Astha Pradhan was the Minister of? The answer is Revenue and Finance. Now moving on to economic affairs of India. The first question is India's first private LNG plant has been launched in? The answer is Nagpur. Next question is which neighboring country of India recently adopted India's Bhim UPI? The answer is Bhutan. Next question is a pact to develop the 679 megawatt Lower Arjun hydropower project has been signed between? Answer is India and Nepal. Next question is which city in India became the first one to have city-wide safe drinking tap water for 24 hours? The answer is Puri in Odisha. Next question is where is the headquarters of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, that is IRDA? The answer is Hyderabad. Next question is in India liquid funds are regulated by? Answer is SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. Next question is banks in India were nationalized for the first time in? Answer is 1969. Next question is SMILE, that is SMILE, stands for? Full form is Support for Marginalized Individuals for Livelihood and Enterprise. Next question is too big to fail tagline is basically associated in Indian economy with? The answer is banking system. Last question is who is the author of the book Overdraft Saving the Indian Saver? The answer is Urjit Patel. Now moving on to India and world geography. The first question is the Sikura Desert is located in? The answer is Peru. Next question is well temperate grassland are located in? South America. Next is which oceanic current flows southward in the name of Agulhas Current? Answer is Indian Equatorial Current. Next is a worldwide rise or fall in sea level is referred to as? Answer is Eustachy. Okay, Eustachy. Next is the Bass Strait separates? Answer is Tasmania from Australia. Next is the Yucatan Strait separates? Answer is Mexico from Cuba. Next is the Lushai Hills are popularly referred to as? The answer is Mizo Hills. Next question is which pass connects Jammu with Srinagar? The answer is Banihal Pass. Next question is the Pangyong Lake is located in India in? Answer is Ladakh. And the last question is the Haflong Lake is located in? The answer is Assam. Now moving on to science and technology. First question is which chemical is used in artificial rain? Answer is silver iodide. Next question is synthetic fiber obtained from cellulose is known as? Answer is rayon. Next question is Rutherford's alpha particle scattering experiment was responsible for the discovery of? Answer is proton. Next is which scale of temperature does not have a negative value? Answer is Kelvin scale. Next is cyanide poisoning causes sudden death in seconds due to? Answer is cardiac arrest. Next is photon is the fundamental unit and quantum of? Answer is light. Next is which blood group is called universal receptor? Answer is blood group AB. Next is waves used for telecommunications are called? The answer is infrared waves. Next is Parkinson's disease is caused by the loss of nerve cells in the? Answer is cerebral cortex. Next is the study of causative agents of diseases is called? Answer is etiology. Now moving on to agriculture. The first question is Shuksh Samarat is variety of? Answer is rice. Next is rain-fed conditions are most suitable for? Answer is Macaroni wheat. Next is yellow color of mangoes is due to the presence of? Answer is beta carotene. Next is Karan 3 is a huskless variety of? Answer is barley. Next is the ideal C ratio N of good soil must be? The answer is 15:1. Next is gross cultivated area divided by net sown area is called? Answer is crop concentration. Next is Penicillium glaucum is the scientific name of? Answer is bajra. Next is Cotter spot disease of turnip is caused due to the deficiency of? Answer is calcium. Next is soil formed by leaching and oxidation is? Answer is laterite soil. And the last is in Malaysia shifting agriculture is known as? Answer is ladang. Now let's move to environment, biodiversity and climate change. First question is which SEZ city became the first green SEZ in India? The answer is Kandla. Next is how many tiger reserves in India have received the accreditation of the Global Conservation Assured Tiger Standards, that is CA/TS. Answer is 14 tiger reserves. Next is which country launched world's largest carbon trading market? The answer is China. Next is the measurement unit of the ecological footprints is, the answer is global hectares. Next is in the grasslands, trees do not replace the grass as part of an ecological succession because of, the answer is water limits and fire. Next is who postulated the concept of sea floor spreading? The answer is H. Hess. Next is what is the ideal temperature for survival of coral reefs? Answer is 20 to 21 degrees Celsius. Next is who is the writer of the book Desert Solitaire? The answer is Edward Abbey. Next is influence of environment measures on other sectors like health, labor and education is called, the answer is domino effect. Okay, and the last question is xeriscaping is a concept related to landscaping related to save water. Now let's move to communication. Our first question is in communication a person who decodes a message is a receiver. Next is the information function of mass communication is referred to as, the answer is surveillance. Next is in analog mass communication stories are, the answer is static. Next is what would you suggest as a manager to improve the communication skills of your employees? The answer is two-way communication. Next is one person dominates the communication process in, answer is wheel type of communication. Next is a good and proper interaction between reader and message will result in, the answer is meaning. Next is every communicator has to experience, the answer is anticipatory excitement. Okay. Next is who coined the term cybernetics? The answer is Norbert Wiener. Next is external communication refers to the relation of an administrative agency with, the answer is the public. Next is in communication the language is, the answer is the verbal codes. Okay. Now let's move to sports and games. So our first question here is which three countries were inducted as member of the ICC, the global cricket body? So the answer is Mongolia, Tajikistan and Switzerland. Next question is which team won UEFA Euro Cup 2020 football title? The answer is Italy. Next is who has become the youngest ever chess grandmaster in the world? The answer is Abhimanyu Mishra. Next is who clinched the Wimbledon Open men's single crown 2021? The answer is Novak Djokovic from Serbia. Next is who clinched the Wimbledon Open women's single crown 2021? The answer is Ashley Barty from Australia. Next is Brisbane in Australia was officially announced as the host of the Olympic and Paralympic Games in, the answer is 2032. Next is a type of robot was the mascot of the Tokyo Summer Olympic Games 2020. Its name was, the answer is Mirai Tova. Next is which country emerged overall champion of the Tokyo Summer Olympics by topping the medals table? The answer is USA. Next is Neeraj Chopra won India's only gold medal in the Tokyo Olympics. He won the event in, the answer is men's javelin throw. Next is how many medals did India win in Tokyo Olympics? The answer is 7 medals, in which 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze medal won by India. Now let's see some miscellany. So our first one is who has been crowned Miss India USA 2021? Answer is Vaidehi Dongre. Okay, Vaidehi Dongre. Next is UNESCO stripped the World Heritage Sites status of the city named, answer is Liverpool. Next is which film won the Palme d'Or in the 74th Cannes Film Festival? The answer is Titanic. World's first 3D printed steel bridge was opened to pedestrians and cyclists in, answer is Amsterdam. Next is the Global Education Summit 2021 was successfully organized in, answer is London. Next is UNESCO declared 2 sites in India as UNESCO World Heritage Sites of the Year. These 2 cities are, the first one is Darudeswara Temple and second one is Dholavira. This is the most important point. Next is World Day for Social Justice is observed on, answer is February 20. Next is the Cannes Film Festival is organized in, Answer is France. Next is, who is the writer of the book Life of Pi? The answer is Jan Martel. And the last one is, Mashu, Dangli and Jhali are popular folk dances of. Answer is Himachal Pradesh. So that's it for today. We have already discussed the important compendium given in the Pratyogita Darpan October 2021 edition, and you can also follow us on Telegram, okay, as well as on Instagram. We provide PDFs for different type of study materials on Telegram which are important for your exams, and we provide current affair, daily vocab and also daily GK on our Instagram page. So make sure you also follow us on Telegram and Instagram. And if you have any suggestions regarding this video, please do write us on comment box. See you on next video. Till then, take care and thank you guys.